Call Prithvi Shah. Aakash Chopra reveals who he wants Chennai Super Kings to replace Ruturaj Gaikwad in IPL 2025 IPL Maharaja Yadavendra Singh International Cricket Stadium, Mullanpur IPL Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi ICC Women's Cricket. Lahore City Cricket, IPL Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Akana Cricket Stadium, Lucknow ICC Women's Cricket. Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore IPL Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 12 runs. IPL Royal Challengers Bengaluru beat Rajasthan Royals by 9 wickets. UGAW in Namibia Women beat U. IPL Maharaja Yadavendra Singh International Cricket Stadium, Mullanpur IPL Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi ICC Women's Cricket. Lahore City Cricket, IPL Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Akana Cricket Stadium, Lucknow ICC Women's Cricket. Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore IPL Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 12 runs. IPL Royal Challengers Bengaluru beat Rajasthan Royals by 9 wickets. UGAW in Namibia Women beat U. IPL Maharaja Yadavendra Singh International Cricket Stadium, Mullanpur IPL Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi ICC Women's Cricket. Lahore City Cricket, amidst concerns regarding the lack of firepower in the top order for the Chennai Super Kings, the former Indian cricketer, Aakash Chopra, feels that the franchise needs to dip into the batch of unsold players with an interesting solution that could end their batting woes. Speaking on his YouTube channel, Chopra highlighted the need to bring in some fresh talent into the fray to help revive their chances of making a comeback. I see weaknesses everywhere. How will you change things? You felt Maggie would turn it around, but it doesn't happen every time. So it was a problem that he came, but things didn't change. This team didn't change their playing style, Chopra commented. Chopra suggested that youngsters need to be brought into the mix and even suggested that the out-of-favor Indian international, Prithvi Shah, could be brought in as a replacement. I am thinking whether Sheikh Rashid can be played. Can you start looking at some youngsters? I would say call Prithvi Shah if Ruturaj isn't returning because you would need an Indian only. I want to see some because the way they are playing, the might is not being seen, he added. Prithvi Shah, in his stint with the Delhi Capitals, has shown some decent batting knocks, maximizing the power play overs, which is ideal in the modern trend of explosivity. Chennai have struggled to get that Topa Rider combination firing on all cylinders, with the New Zealand pair of Devon Conway and Rakin Ravindra struggling to fire for the franchise this year. Swipe left for next video. Chennai, after winning their opening game against Mumbai Indians, have struggled to win games, losing 4 games on the trot. The side is in dire need of a win in their ongoing game against Lucknow Super Giants and will be expected to get back to winning ways, considering this is their worst losing streak in their history of their time in this tournament. MS Dhoni and co will be keen on regaining their winning momentum, but they face a tough task in their upcoming away game against Lucknow at the Akana Cricket Stadium on Monday. Latest blogs.